Participants, welcome, welcome all participants. I think there's so many participants from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and all other states of India. I hereby cordially welcome all participants into this FDP, Faculty Development Program, 9-week FDP, Faculty Development Program. You have complete freedom. Whatever time you feel free, please log in and listen the video and take notes. If you have any doubt, there should be interactive sessions at the end of the 3rd week, 6th week, and 9th week. I may repeat again, there should be interactive session at the end of interactive live session at the end of 3rd week, 6th week, and 9th week. In those interactive sessions, you can directly ask questions to me. There should be certainly, I'll try to solve your queries, questions. First of all, I may introduce myself. I am the course coordinator and chief resource person. My name is Dr. Shivakumar A. FCMA, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Sri Nilakanda Government Sanskrit College, Pattambi, Palakkad District, Kerala. I am a fellow member of the Institute of Cost Accounts of India. Besides, I am an approved PhD guide of the Calicut University. Actually, it is a 3rd course concerning research methodology. This course is conducted through the LMS of a college, the learning management system of a college. This course is conducted through the LMS software of Sri Nilakanda Government Sanskrit College, Pattambi, Palakkad District, Kerala. Once again, I cordially welcome all participants. I understand that there are so many students, scholars, faculty members, and PhD guides across India from different states of India. Here, it is an opportunity to us to share our knowledge, to understand about different dimensions of research methodology. As we know, actually, our life is a search for knowledge. Certainly, we should gain knowledge on every second. We understand that, therefore, we have conducted this 9-week FDP. Once again, I cordially welcome all of you into this faculty development program. In first week, there are so many videos you can listen. I may repeat again. Whatever time you feel free, you can hear, you can learn, you can understand about different dimensions of correlation, simple regression, multiple regression, and different form of multiple regression. As we know, there's so many forms multiple regression. Apart from standard multiple regression, there are so many forms of multiple regression. Certainly, we should understand about all those forms of multiple regression in week 1. Besides, there should be classes related with the ANOVA, MANOVA, ANCOVA, and MANCOVA in week 1. Week 2 is related with the artificial intelligence tools. As we know, artificial intelligence tools are widely applied in the research area. Therefore, we should have a clear understanding about artificial intelligence tools. Then we can use those artificial intelligence tools in every sphere of research activity, especially in literature review, data analysis, and data interpretation. Then, okay, thank you, goodbye, welcome all.